Hey, it's Dr. Mo again, Chiropractic Care Center. We got Jen. Jen is a bodybuilder, so she's been having back pain for about 3 months, 2-3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you tell them what you did?
So basically, I lifted way too heavy, and I lifted too many sets. So I did 10 sets of 10 for squat and deadlift, and I pulled some muscle in my lower back, and my back has been messed up ever since.
So we just did muscle stimulation, we just did flexion distraction, which we stretched it. We are gonna do x-ray just because we want to see how the joints look. And then I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it today. I'm gonna do a whole body adjustment. Have you ever gotten a whole body? You have, no? Okay, so I'm gonna do the whole body. I'm gonna check everything, I'm gonna adjust everything, and then go from there. All right? So Jen, go ahead and go face down for me. All right, girlfriend, let's see here. By the way, her range of motion and everything is phenomenal, of course, because she's a bodybuilder. Yeah, so her hips are rotating, and I do feel tightness in here. All right, Missy, let's have this side up, facing me this way. All right, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna bend the top leg here. Good. Bring this forward. And you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You are super flexible. Deep breath for me. All the way up. There it is. Ooh, nice. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Other side. Good. This side forward. By the way, normal person would come here. She's super flexible. That's why her leg comes all the way up here. Deep breath. All the way up. There it is. Whew. Let's go face up front. All right, miss. Relax for me. Oh. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
All
That was good.
Good. One more thing. I'm going to have you move down just a little bit here.
Okay.
Give yourself a big hug. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Awesome. There it is. Sweet. Let's go face down. Let me just check everything and then go from there. Cool. All right. Here we go. Nice. So there's one bone, there's the other one. Where it's supposed to be. You got to keep it that way, Jen. All right. Again, if you're watching, you got to get in here. Don't keep wasting your time. Come feel better. Take care.